Come see Mama. Come on, big girl.
Wow, Tyler.
You're so big. Yeah. Come on.
Go see Mommy.
Okay, Mommy, go up the rest of the stairs. Come on. Doodles.
Go see Mommy.
Come on.
Go see Mommy.
Go see Mama. Come on. Let me see you. Come on, big girl.
Wow. Go ahead, Ty. You don't want to climb anymore?
I'm tired. What? Why are these stairs different than those stairs?
Oh, you want to get down? Okay. Don't you want to go see Mommy? There's Mommy.
Hey.
Mommy.
Hey, Doodle. Okay. You done? Ah! Ah! Good girl.
Monkey.
You're such a big girl, Monk. Come on, Buzz. Come on, Buzz. You gonna make it?
Go, Monk. Go, Monk.
Oh, that's tough stuff. You're so strong.
Wow,
Yay! Let's clap for the girl! Yay! Let me see that face.
You proud of yourself, Monk? That's a lot of work for a little monk. Now you're going to do some pushing? Daddy help you up with your jammies.
She was practically running with that thing yesterday. She was going so fast. Go! I see you go fast. That's not very fast.